Hi everyone, I'm J.R. Alberto from Discovery Bay Group in Melbourne. I'm thrilled to invite you to join me at Montessori International Convention 2025, taking place from October the 30th to November the 2nd in Sydney. In my session, I'll be sharing insights on how core values support distributed leadership in a Montessori setting, highlighting how shared values influence decision making, build trusts, and empower every team member to lead with purpose. These landmark events brings together global thought leaders and educators who are shaping the future of education. Explore the full program at events.montessori.org.au/MIC. I look forward to seeing you in Sydney.